yesterday.
Was in the car
Bring me
right
my
there?
drink, you girl.
You never met him before? Why are you here today? How much money did he give you?
500.
Is there a reason why he gave you $500?
My friend was told me to pick it up from him.
Okay. And he gave you nothing for that $500, correct?
No, sir.
Okay. What if I were to tell you that that gentleman right there is a police officer, that you've been talking to a police officer, and maybe that you had a little something more to do than him just loaning you $500? So why are we really here?